Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the attitude of the bank staff in paying the Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan Yojana amount. So definitely, normally we condemn the activities of the police officers, particularly that police officer, they use abusive language, they bet so and so persons. So if you want to go to a police station, better don't go, because the attitude of the police is totally different. They decry you or they use foul language, all these things they attribute against the police officers. Same is the case with the revenue. So normally we presume that the revenue people will not solve any issue and they will be keeping on pending things like that. Municipality, everybody knows, they curse at you like that, they will not attend to their job. All these things, we condemn the attitude of the people. Now, in that list, the bank people also have come and joined. Now, let's know what happened. This happened in Odisha state. So, just like our Andhra Pradesh Gramina Bank, there is a bank called as Utkal Gramina Bank. So, in a branch, so Mr. Pradhan is Ajit Kumar Pradhan. He was the manager of the particular branch. In that area, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, according to as per the Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan package, an amount of rupees 1500 was deposited in the so-called Jan Dhan Yojana of the account of a centenarian or a woman aged about 100 years. She has, yes, old woman, yes. Labhe Bigal. Her name is Labhe Bigal. So she is a woman of 100 years of age. So this amount was deposited in her bank account. So normally she is expected to go to the bank and get the amount released. So there was heavy queue. Yeah, very well, you all know that when once the amount was released, all the banks, like so many people lined up, old people also came there. So particularly this incident happened on June 10th. Probably about 5 days back it happened, right? So what happened is her daughter, the woman's daughter, she went to the bank and she apprised the branch manager, Mr. Ajit Kumar Pradhan, that this woman is a centenarian, she has crossed 100 years and she cannot move from the bed and she cannot walk properly. So he wanted to take the money. Of course, she was said that she can put her left hand impression, so it can be taken. And this man persisted that he wanted to physically verify whether the woman is alive or not. He persisted. So therefore, he wanted a physical verification. So that means he wanted her presence at the bank. This is one way. Right, anyway. So the particular daughter, she has nothing, she cannot do anything except bringing her. How to bring her? That's the main problem. So see how pathetic the situation is. She was brought on a cart, and this cart was dragged to a distance of about a half kilometer and 400 meters up to the bank. On June 10th, by 9:30 or by 10 a.m., before the bank started, this daughter of the centenarian, she literally dragged the cart up to the bank and produced the woman before the bank manager. And somebody took videograph of the same, and the dragging of the cart and the woman, old woman on the cart, the scene created panic. And when the incident was published in the social media, it has gone viral and it has taken the attention of one and all. Of course, it has gone to the level of the state government of Odisha. Of course, the CM of Odisha requested the Utkal Bank Director General or higher authority to conduct an inquiry and take action against the attitude of the branch manager. Right? So, how bad it is. Right? During this COVID-19 pandemic, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana 1500. So of course that is for 3 months amount. From April to June that amount was it has been deposited in her account, and forgot about the social distancing. We have been seeing the social distance factor, better not to comment. So normally of course he wanted the personal appearance, there is no doubt, but here now ultimately the government, the incident was taken seriously by the state government, and they asked for the inquiry, and the bank conducted inquiry and placed the branch manager Mr. Ajit Kumar Pradhan under suspension pending inquiry. Right. Here is one part. As advocates, what we have to do. Now, what is the defense? Definitely, if the branch manager comes to you, then what is your defense? That's most important. So, the defense put forth by the bank manager is, no doubt, it is bound and duty to personally verify the so-called beneficiary. But he said that he will make a personal visit to the house of the so-called centenarian. But he could not do so because of the heavy rush of the bank, and he is having only one single officer at charge of the bank. No doubt, Gramina banks they will not have sufficient staff. Normally, with 2 or 3 staff, they will be conducting their job. So the defense is that in the anxiety of the centenarian's daughter, in the anxiety of the woman, so she, and to avoid the congestion or to avoid the rush near the bank, the daughter of this old woman brought her on the cart and produced her before the so-called manager. Actually, he wanted to pay a visit to her house. Of course, please remember, this is the defense. This you have to remember thoroughly. Whenever such cases comes, you have to make your defense probably. So anyway, so this is a bad case, actually bad case we have to deal with. Definitely the branch manager should be taken to task. He should have a heart, even his heart did not melt even after seeing this woman. Since the incident has got social media, it has gone in social media, since it has become viral, it has come to the notice of the government. Otherwise would have kept quiet. Poor woman, she came. Of course, the anxiety of the part of the woman also definitely it will be there. Normally, we have been seeing so many widows, women who got the so-called social pensions like 2,500 or 2,250 or like that. So even we have got one worker or a domestic maid. So whenever the first comes, she wants to go to her native village to get the so-called money. She is so much of interest. Of course, the amount traveling journey will cost about 100 rupees or so, but she is not worried. But she wanted to get the amount, so she is more intrinsic towards getting the money. That's normally, definitely, every beneficiary will have that intention. Whatever it is, the branch manager should have a kind heart. He is a bank officer. He knows he has to deal with the so-called civilians. That's why previously in the banks, the slogan of Mahatma Gandhiji was kept there. We have seen, but nowadays it's absent. He says, customer is our God. You have to pay respect to the customer. You have to respect the customer. So many things about the customer, they were written, of course. Now it has gone are the days. Of course, they were the golden days. Anyway, please remember, this is a classic case showing the attitude of the branch manager of a bank. No doubt he has to do his job. Nobody objects him. But he has to take into consideration the plight of a 100 years age woman. What is so wrong if he visits house after the banking hours? What is there? He can personally verify, and he can, after all, it is an amount of 1,500. For the amount of 1,500 rupees, she has to be brought on a cart to the branch, and actually the cart was dragged by the daughter. Only one woman dragged her, and see how pathetic it is. So please remember, such incidents bring down the morale of the entire banking sector. Please remember this. Anyway, this is a good case study. This incident was taken seriously by the government. Of course, he was suspended. Whatever it is, it's a good case. Thank you.